We lost 3 things in this mud hole. Can you help me find them? Hi, it's me, Devon Aunty, and I need your help with a very special mission today. Let's see what's in there. We have to dig it out and find it. Let's see what we find. Ah, that's just mud. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, it's pretty stuck. Let's pull very hard. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! We found a bulldozer! Whoa, he's all dirty. Let's go clean him off. Come on. Huh. I wish I had some soap. Maybe a bucket full of soap would be helpful. Let's see. Magic imagination. Hey! This'll work! There we go! There's a bucket full of soap. Let's dunk him in. We need to dunk him 5 times. Let's go. Can you help me count it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, he's super clean now, but we have to rinse him off. Let's rinse him right here. All right, we found him. Now he's all clean. Ding! Let's go see what else is in the mud hole. Come on, let's go. Hey, and if you're having fun, make sure subscribe and like so you can see more videos like this. All right, let's dig down. Ready? Whoa, it's really stuck. Oh. Whoa, what is this? I don't. Yeah. Let's go find out what this is. It's too dirty to tell. Come on, join me. Let's go. Okay, you know the drill. 5 times. Ready? Help me count. 1. Woo! It's a car. 2. Woo! It's a red car. 3. Woo! 4. And last one. 5. Woo! Hey. All right, let's rinse them off. Let's rinse me off first. All right, here we go. Wow, we found a red car. That's awesome! Cool! Let's put him right next to the yellow bulldozer. Bing! All right, we found 1, 2 things, and we need to find 1 more. It's our last hidden thing. Let's go to the mud hole. Come on, friends. All right, it's our last hidden item. What do you think we're gonna find? All right, let's dig in. Come on, ready? Oh. Whoa, this one is really heavy. I wonder what it is. Oh, this mud. I think I have to dig it out more. Let's dig out this mud. Ready? 1, 2, whoa! Oh, wow, look! It's another construction vehicle. Do you know what this is? This is my favorite. It's my favorite because it has a bucket on the front. This is an excavator, and he is very dirty. Let's go give him a bath. Come on, let's go. Can you remember how many times do we need to dunk him in the water? You guessed, 5 times. Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, he is super clean now. Time to rinse him off. Ooh. Now he's all cleaned up. Let's let him join his friends. Ooh, a yellow excavator. We found our 3 things. A yellow excavator, a red car, and a yellow bulldozer. That was so fun. Thanks for joining me, Devon Aunty. Join me again for the next adventure. Bye-bye.